Hi, I'm Mike with Become a Better Guitar Player, and today I'm going to show you how to play House of the Rising Sun by the Animals. If you like the video, please subscribe. All right, so let's get started. All right, so the great thing about this song is that it's a bunch of first position chords that somebody starting out will want to learn. This is the reason why it's a lot of people's first song, actually. And the picking pattern is fairly simple, so it's almost like you're just strumming the chords to make sure the strings are ringing. So it's a really great song for somebody who's first learning chords to learn how to play. So the first chord on it is going to be this A minor here. You're going to put your middle finger on the second fret of the D string, your third finger on the second fret of the G string, and then your first finger is going to go right up here on the B string on the first fret. And you're going to go. So you hit that root note, it's an A chord, you're going to hit the A string. You're just gonna go down the other four strings like this. From there you go to a C chord, and a C chord is going to be, you're gonna move one finger. You're gonna keep all these where they're at, and you're gonna take your third finger and you're gonna move it over here on the third fret of the A string. Then you're going to go to this D chord. D chord is going to be your first finger on the second fret of the G string, second finger on the second fret of the E string, and your third finger is going to go here on the B string on the third fret. And you're going to hit this D string. Then it goes into an F chord. For that F chord, you're going to put your third finger on the third fret of the D string, your middle finger on the second fret of the G string, then you're going to take your first finger and you're going to cover up the B and the E string like this. Then you're going to go back to the first chord, the A. A, E, back to the A. From that A chord, you're going to hit this E. Open E string. Second fret on the A string, second fret on the D string, first fret on the G string, and that's so you're taking that A chord, you're just moving all your fingers up one string. You go back to the C. Then you go to the C. That's the E chord. Then you go back to your A. C, D, F, A, E, A, then the E again. that's about all there is to it. And when I started out, this seemed like a very daunting thing to learn all of these chords up here, but it's not that big of a deal. It's a great chord changing finger exercise to practice before you're learning new songs, even way down the road after you've learned that song, just because it's a bunch of really clean chords and it's easy to strum. So I think it's a great beginner's video, and subscribe to my channel, and hopefully you got something from this, and we'll bring you some more videos, okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.